So here we've got brackets which allow us to hang a radiator on the wall, and this is what we've been doing to now. It's a steel wall plate, water jet cut, and then an adjacent part that allows you to hang the radiator on a bracket, right? Pretty standard. But we wanted to do something better than this because we didn't feel it was particularly attractive nor particularly versatile. And so Jason Riley, who is the youngest member of our new product team, came up with this, which is a two-part wall bracket. So this base plate screws to the wall, and it's made of investment cast or lost wax cast steel, and it's got a grub screw here which allows you vertical adjustability. And then you slot your bracket in, and we have different sizes of bracket. We've got 3 different sizes for a Mercury 2 column or Emeline 1, a Mercury 3 and 4 or an Emeline 2. We also have one for a Vulcan, which is a smaller nipple size, and then the 6 column version as well, which is the very biggest one, and I don't have one here with me. So you've got one base plate and various different hooks, and all the hooks slot in to the base plate, and then you use just a 6mm Allen key to adjust the height up and down in case you're just slightly out of level. And we use 4 of these hooks per radiator to wall mount. We found that a lot of people want to wall mount radiators. They don't like having them on the feet. It's just the way it's always been done there. And it does give you more options with piping. Retrofitting a new radiator onto an existing system can be quite difficult if you've got to worry about the height of the pipe. But using brackets means that you can position the radiator wherever you want on the wall, and then get the radiator exactly the right height for the existing pipework without having to redo it. And so these are going to be e-coat lacquered, and they're going to be self-coloured. It's a little darker than they are right now. And then if a customer wants us to paint the bracket to match the radiator, that'll be possible for all of our signature collection as well.